Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are at Tanoa. Tanoa Samoa are a Samoan clothing brand who started in American Samoa and now have stores in Hawaii and American Samoa and Samoa. We used to stock their brand in our store, so we wanted to visit their store while we were in Hawaii. Tanoa stock an amazing range of men's and women's wear as well as accessories. One of the reasons we went there was to purchase clothing for a wedding. So I went to social media and I offered 3 options to the Instagram followers to choose from. There was a blue dress, a white dress, as well as a brown dress. So I'm very happy that they made the choice to choose the brown dress, as you will see, because my sister-in-law actually got the white dress, so we were all pretty much Tanoa at the wedding. So again, Tanoa is located in American Samoa, Apia, Onehunga, Ala Moana Center and Pearl Ridge Center. If you are interested in purchasing from them, they also have a website. Make sure to check them out, link is in the description.
Hey, alright. Yeah, okay, yeah, alright. Yeah, okay, yeah, alright. Yeah, okay, yeah, alright.